But yeah, speaking of like now, with the coming of with the internet being so prevalent in this country now, a lot of streamers have come up in the last 2 years, two and a half odd years. Before that, even in 2016, because I don't think we had like gaming streamers as much in the
2017 में शुरुआत हुई. आई थिंक अजय एंड अ फ्यू अदर्स स्टार्टेड इट आउट. देन
right.
पबजी मोबाइल हैपेंड एंड दैट
That happened.
जस्ट टुक थिंग्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. इट्स इनसे.
Yeah.
आई वाज डूइंग सम क्या कहते हैं रिसर्च फॉर जस्ट ऐसे ही कर रहा था. एंड ट्रेडिशनल गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री से मोबाइल गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री सो मच बिगर. इट्स इनसेन हाउ मच मनी मोबाइल गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री इज मेकिंग.
It's all over the world, or specifically in India, is what you're talking.
In India.
आई थिंक इन इंडिया या.
The reason is simple, right? Because people usually have smartphones and they cannot afford a very good PC, right?
Yeah.
That is all.
The
But
math is
even
something
there-
like 3-4%.
Sorry?
I think it's like 3 or 4% of India has like a desktop or even a laptop.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the stats.
And what's the penetration for smartphones? Do you have any idea?
The rest, 97%. Like it's huge, man. Smartphone now, like I think 250 billion people have like a smartphone capable of playing 3D games.
It's not just FPS games. It's like, for example, even in Minecraft, na, the most of the people who watch Minecraft, for example, Beast Boy Shub or any of these other gamers, Triggered Insan or like who else is there? Mythpat is there when they play Minecraft.
That is there.
When it
Techno
boomed
Gamers
after,
is there.
right? When it boomed after PewDiePie started playing Minecraft. Here in India specifically, people usually play Minecraft on phones, which is so weird because I've always played since 2013. I've always played Minecraft on my laptop or my PC for now. But they all play by phone, and whenever like I have a server invite or something, people will keep requesting me that why don't you make videos on Minecraft mobile or something,
Yeah.
which is very weird to me because I've always played, always been able to
Yeah,
play
yeah.
on
Even
the
the biggest gamer in India, well, not subscriber wise, but views wise, there's this kid who's I think around my age. He's 21, 22. Techno gamers, जिसका नाम लिया अभी. He's pulling around 7 to 10 million views a day.
Yes.
Yeah. So and he started out with phone गेमिंग. उसका
Right.
पीसी का उसका पीसी पे ट्रांजिशन बहुत बाद में हुआ. उसका सब पबजी मोबाइल, आई थिंक इवन माइनक्राफ्ट वाज ऑन पीसी. इट वाज क्रेजी.
Yeah.
But Minecraft is not exactly a game which is like a competitive game, right? It can be competitive. Has its. Do you know what Minecraft is, Varun?
Of
Have you
course,
played?
of course. I mean, don't
Wait, have
worry.
you
I know every
Wait,
game out there.
wait, have you played Minecraft?
Little bit.
Little bit.
Little bit.
Okay. So Minecraft still is not as much of a competitive game. It can be, but the other games like for example PUBG is there, Fortnite is there. What else? Valorant is there. What other competitive games do you guys have heard of which are very famous these days?
अभी वॉर जोन चल रहा है. वॉर
You're
जोन का
free.
काफी सीन
Games
था.
like Free Fire. I mean,
Free Fire.
इवन या इन फोन पे तो हाँ फ्री फायर हो
Yeah.
गया.
Dude, the
छोटे
thing
छोटे
is-
गेम्स है बहुत सारे.
the thing is, no, what I learned, because I used to. I mean, I started shit posting on my main channel. Okay.
Right.
I haven't used the channel in like some 6 months or something.
Us.
So I was playing Overwatch in the game, in the video, and
Yeah.
now that format, whenever a format works, now somebody or the other will copy it and put it to mobile. And
Yeah.
in India, if you want to be a streamer, like one of the best, there are two things you can do, right? A, you can go on desktop, you can play a game nobody knows about or nobody has access to, and people don't relate. Like with esports, especially people, or just generally competitive games, people want to feel like they are playing, right? They want to copy your techniques and do it in real life,
Right. Right.
right? They want to that high that you get playing the game. Like for example, if I watch a League of Legends video and I'm not very good at League of Legends, I won't understand anything that's going on, and I just like close the video because I don't get it. Like I don't get the complexities, I don't get the interactions because I haven't played the game. But with Dota, because I know like every single interaction, I'll watch like even the most
Tiny
complex of videos, I'll watch it, right? So it's more about are enough people playing your game, and secondly, can they play the game, right? Do they have a device to play the game? That's why mobile gaming is so big. I always found it odd that people would like make streams where they're like playing a mobile game and have connected it to the computer to kind of beam
Emulate
that.
that. Yes. Yes.
Found it very strange.
पर क्या necessarily ये क्योंकि मैं let's take do you know who Mythpat is? Yeah, so Mythpat doesn't do that stuff that you talked about. Like it's not, his videos are not about making the people feel that they are playing the game. It's even for techno gamers for that matter, it's very different than the traditional streamers.
In the case of techno gamers, I'll tell you. Even in the both of them have played a lot of Minecraft, right? So in the case of that, whenever I watch their videos, even Beast Boy Shop's videos, one of the first things which I notice is like how is this person building, because I primarily build really well in Minecraft. So I look at how they are building, if I can pick up a design which they have, if they have some sort of because Minecraft is still in development, even though they have removed a lot of glitches from it. You can take advantage a lot of glitches to make better builds, right? So I noticed that if this is there, um, I note survival game hai, तो I also noticed कि अच्छा what techniques are this person using to able to survive for a longer duration and get more resources. I noticed that in a game. When it comes to FPS games, um, even though I haven't played as much FPS, for example, Dota, it's a strategy game. I haven't played Dota. I have played Age of Empires, however. I notice how like the placement of military is there, and it ऐसा होता है कि एज ऑफ एम्पायर्स में तो इट यू हैव लाइक प्रॉपर बिल्ड सीक्वेंसेस कि तुम्हें एग्जैक्टली ये बिल्ड करना है इतने टाइम के अंदर, ये बिल्ड करना है इतने टाइम के अंदर, अदरवाइज यू आर लूजिंग द गेम एनीवे. लाइक देयर इज नो चांस, अदर टीम विल जस्ट कम एंड obliterate your entire group. You can't do anything about it.
Actually, there are two kinds of streamers, and Okus, like actually you're right, and you're right because we think of streamers as one category, but there are two streamers. One is like competitive streamers, people who are good at the game, and then there is another set of streamers that are entertainment streamers. Like Mythpart, in at least in my books, is an entertainment streamer.
Right,
He's funny, right? He creates
Yeah.
content that's enjoyable to watch, and even Dream. Like if you've seen Dream's content, the
Yeah.
Wow, just name dropped Dream, who's a Minecraft player, right?
Yeah, of course. So Dream has grown like crazy, but his content can be watched by somebody who doesn't understand Minecraft as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like the way they put and Tanmay Bhatt, for example, the very good example. Dude, I watched this one video of Tanmay Bhatt, like this live video, which was just insane. Like, listen to this, okay? He used to play with some kid. I don't know who the kid is, and he never introduced the kid to the public. So one day he's like, I'm gonna do a face reveal of this kid. Okay, so he starts the video out where the kid is wearing like some goggles and some mask and some shit like that. And Tanmay Bhatt is like, every time I get like 5 kills or 10 kills or something like that, the kid will remove one item of clothing. And everyone wanted to see who this kid was.
What a fucking amazing idea.
So when Tanmay Bhatt is about to hit the 10th, kill the 10th person, he'll kill himself. He'll be like, no, I won't show you now. So he's just like playing the audience and the numbers are just building. Like if you look at the retention graph, it's just like going up. Now that's not Tanmay Bhatt being good at the game. It's just, him understanding that dopamine chahiye, people, logo ko, and dopamine comes from you making a prediction and seeing if that prediction is true or not.
Right.
So essentially he's making people gamble with the kid removing like one part of his clothing. So those kind of entertainment streamers, I believe, is another category. And those guys are like, will pull massive numbers. And whatever environment you put them in, right? Like if you ask them to do commentary or reactions or memes or whatever it is, they will do a good job.
Tanmay Bhatt has been is a very good example of just trial and error. Because when he started, been following him for a very long time, and when I started seeing, initially he wasn't very good at whatever he was doing, but by the end of the year, with his contacts and everything, of course, because he is also Tanmay Bhatt and he has a background in comedy that long, he fixed the stuff very out. I think because अगर तुम joke writing या just writing in general में हो, बाकी सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी आसान हो जाती है, क्योंकि एसेंशियली यूट्यूब ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, तुमको वीडियो फिगर आउट करने का है कि क्या चलना है क्या नहीं चलना है. एंड बिकॉज यू हैव अ बैकग्राउंड इन जोक राइटिंग विच इज़ लाइक वेयर यू हैव टू पुश आउट लाइक 100 ऑफ जोक्स, एंड उसमें से मे बी 2 या 4 अच्छे जोक निकलेंगे, एंड यू जस्ट राइट स्टफ डाउन. That is essentially how YouTube works as well, where you keep on trying and you figure out, oh, this one video did well, okay, I can, and then you try that, and then that's how it works.